Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are on a beautiful fall day, summer fall. Hot when you're standing still, nice and cool when you're riding. But on that note, I went back and I got the Klein jacket, if you can even sant it. I got the MSR because I left without a jacket. I was like, you know what, I'm kind of going up high elevation, might be a little chilly, coming back a little late. It gets dark earlier, starting to anyway. It's already on the verge of being chilly when you're riding. Like, maybe I need to go back and get a little how you doing. I was about to work on my MSR and I was like, well, crap, got all the shoulder pads in here. I'm wearing my body armor underneath. It's a big rig of a road. As I'm about to pull it all out, I'm like, wait a minute, my climb jacket doesn't have any armor in there. It's in that back closet. You go grab it, it's thinner anyway. So I did, and I'm still like, oh, it's still gonna be a little warm. I put it on. I'm like, oh wait, the sleeves frickin' come off. They zip off on this thing. Heck yeah. So I unzip the sleeves, sleeveless, good to go. Got lots of airflow now. I can throw the sleeves back on the way home if need be. I can throw the sleeves back on. And oh, look at all the birds. Be good. And then 2 turtle doves and then more birds. How you doing? It's a big old camper. You think it's got teeny tires or regular tires? Oh, 4 regular tires. That's what I like to see. Think this dude's gonna pull in front of me? Oh, and he does. What a bag. Absolute piece of shit. Unimpressed, Texas. That's not how you were taught to drive in Texas. License plate. It says MSPEARS. I don't know if that's M Spears, if it's Miss Pears, if it's MS Pears. Incidentally, we're going to the knob. I don't know if I said. Or as I like to call it, the bluff, even though I don't really know what a bluff is. But yeah, it's I don't know if the trees are changing color yet. Well, let's go see. I mean, based on what I'm seeing here, maybe not. But that'll just give me an excuse to come back in a month. Like I say, we're not really fall yet, but the temperatures are finally starting to get cooler. And when I say cooler, I mean not 108. I definitely have not come this way. I don't. Well, I like those old 50s looking sheds, steel buildings. I don't know why we don't do them like that still. Is that like leftover army surplus or stuff from like World War II or something? I always want to do this. Am I recording? I always want to ride on the side of the road, and I never do. It's probably totally illegal. That dude on that side-by-side does it. Probably thinks it's his land. Oh, somebody's driveway. I'll come out here. I should go more. I always want to do that. I never do it enough. Oh, I should have gone on that one. Thing is, you never know how it's going to turn out. You know, is there going to be a cliff drop off that I got to turn around on? That'd be a fun one. That's way up high. Oh, but it comes right into somebody's front yard. See, that's not good. I live right on the edge of my county. So within, you know, I don't know, any given number of miles, There's counties all around me. And just on this little trip, I've already gone through 3 counties at least. Oh, my goggles? Nah, I'm gonna put them on right now. What do y'all think? Should I get a Vulcan? It's only 900. That wouldn't be too bad for me. Pretty bike. Wonder how many miles she's got on her. 2008. I see no change in colors yet. Wonder how long that bug has been on my GoPro. Colors are not though. It's worth it just to come for the road. If I can keep the morons in the cages on their side. There's another county. There's that 3 or 4 now.
Taking it on the trail or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna go right down the, just through the rocks and yeah. No, bring the lighter back if I was gonna do that. I mean, that's a little extreme. There's some trails that you can hit around here, but.
Like, I wanna watch. Where'd you get that from?
Is that an American Bulldog? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. It's just a bulldog? Oh, you still look like my Ruger. You're so very pretty. Oh, you little tiny thing. Though, is he a puppy or she?
7.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You're the little baby boy.
He's not scared of me with all that on.
He said, that no man not gonna hurt me. Him be a doggy lover. And put him on the bike. Take him with me. He precious. Oh my goodness. His head looked just like my Ruger. That's so he's so cute. Better break out the tent if you're gonna stay. There you go. Just leave her with it, and you can come back tomorrow. Should be good, right?
Maybe able to get you some food while you're out here.
Probably pick some berries or something.